Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my plan with me for the week of Thanksgiving here in the US, and I'm going to be using my photo kit that is the Thanksgiving one. It has this cute double box and these other boxes. This is the personal size kit, and I haven't used this in my planner in a while, but I have not a busy week in terms of going places, but I have the whole week off of work, so I really want to get a lot of decluttering and stuff like that done. So I need a space for lots of lists and things like that. So I'm using the personal kit because it'll give me more room for that. I'm also going to use the date headers. The add-on, this is the personal kit add-on. It comes with butterfly headers, some extra labels, some nope stickers, some of the little checklists, and a weekend banner. And then I also grabbed the extra half boxes and quarter boxes because I know I will need them. So let's just get into it. Oh, and I also grabbed some washi because this is a thinner washi down here, and that's fine, but I also wanted to add some other washi, and it's like autumn rose or something. I can't remember the names of all these ones, but it is from Simply Gilded, and I just really like how it's like ombre, and I really think it matches this kit really well. So let's get into it and get this started. Let's get this party started. This is the first photo kit that I've ever done. I'm going to put the bottom washi down first. Let's just stick that over there for a minute. Like I was saying, this is the first photo kit I've ever done. I have another one now. It's Harry Potter themed. And I was pretty much, to be completely honest, I was pretty much against them. I didn't like them. I thought they looked silly, and then people kept asking for them, and I was like, fine, I will make one, and I actually ended up just loving it. So I think it's kind of funny that I just ended up really liking it once it came out. So guess don't knock it till you try it, kind of thing. Oh, that looks so pretty. I get questions about my inserts a lot. These inserts are from Jasenia's Printables. I really like them because they are a week on 3 pages, and they just seem to work out better for me because I have the longness of an EC, the vertical planning, for all of my days. A lot of times they will have Saturday and Sunday really short and half, and those can be just as busy, if not more busy for me, than the weekends. So what was I gonna do? We're gonna do this one down here. I'm having trouble today. That's okay. It happens. So, I am so scatterbrained today. I forgot I brought some stuff to show you guys. So I have some new products. I have some Christmas tag labels. These are stickers, but they're made to look like little tags. And they have Tigaro on them. And then if you're interested in actual tags, these are made of cardstock, and you can get these in the shop. These are the large size, and then I have the mini size. And if you guys really like these, I will start making them in other things for birthdays and things like that, and they'll have Tigaros, and there's the faux glitter in there, and I just think they're really cute. So definitely go check them out. They are in the tags section of my shop, which is linked down below as always. So I think they're just something to make your gift a little bit different and special than everybody else's, you know? So there is that. Also, I'm having a huge sale for Black Friday, so you definitely want to be following me on Instagram and all of that kind of stuff. Facebook group, the usual YouTuber thing. Go follow me on all my social media so you don't miss out on fun stuff. There we go. Oops, got a little bit of the page, but that's okay. And there we go. That looks so cute. I love the mix of them together. Okay, I'm going to put the date headers on and the date covers and the headers, and I will be right back. Okay, so there that is. So pretty. Okay, I've already decided I want to put my my boxes on Thursday and Friday because those are probably going to, or my double box. Thursday and Friday because those are going to be my least busy days, probably. Well, Friday will be busy, but with all the sales stuff and things like that, but it won't be like a lot of, why does that look so crooked? Is that just me? Probably it's just me. Okay, and then I'm going to put this one here for the thankful, oh wait, no, remember, oh, there's only one on this one, that's right. Okay, let me do my sidebar real quick. Like, I have to do a little different because there's only one habit tracker. And I'll grab a piece of washi for the header. And then, oh, of course, it's the same color. Well, that's no help, Melissa. I think then I'm going to use a piece of washi for the header. So I'm going to do, I don't know how I'm going to do this. This is a complete experiment right now. It might end up being a complete and utter fail. We will find out. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Suppers one. I don't even know if the sticker is going to stick on this. How does that look? Kind of goes over all the gold, but oh well. Oops. Just want to cover up the lines. Okay, do this again. I'm probably gonna not love this, but that's okay. It's all about experimenting. having fun with our planners, right? Sorry my voice is all scratchy. The fires in California have been a little crazy, and it's affecting my allergies and stuff like that. Luckily, I'm nowhere, well, I'm kind of near, but like it would have to burn through all of LA to even get near me. So that's not going to happen because there's too many buildings. So I'm very thankful for that. I feel bad for everybody, especially those in Northern California. Like, those fires are just insane how bad they are. And they've already gone through some pretty bad fires last year. So it's just so crazy how bad it is this year. I just put the sticker upside down. Look. Good thing these peel up. As it won't peel up. There we go. That's just funny. See, I get to talking and then I don't pay attention. Okay. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. So, there we go. And then I have one more, and I'm going to put this one on probably Saturday, because that's probably going to be... Actually, I think I kind of want to put it in where it's supposed to be next week and just cover that up. And then I'm going to put the weekend banner down in the middle of the weekend. Just to be different. I don't often use the weekend banner because I just don't. It takes up a little bit of room and yeah, it's just not my thing. That one is so crooked, but I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to let it bother me. Okay, so let's get into the stuff that is. Today is going to be a major, like, to-do things day. So I'm going to take a to-do header. And then... do I want to do matchy-matchy or not? Yeah, let's be matchy-matchy today. I don't normally do matchy-matchy, but let's just be matchy-matchy today. Okay, so that's all this for stuff, and I'm not kidding. I will probably fill this up. I know I've been bad about posting my spreads on Instagram. I'm trying to get better at it again. Get back into things. Thursday, see, I told you, it's just like there's not that much going on. I'm going to my aunt's for Thanksgiving dinner. So we'll grab this and put a little clinking glass, and then I'll write it in there. Wednesday, I'm probably going to be baking or making all this stuff, but I'm not 100% sure, so I don't want to put it in my planner yet. Friday is my sale, so let's grab, we haven't used this color yet. So it's a sale and new releases, and it's gonna have grab bags and all that kind of stuff. Like, it's gonna be one you don't want to miss. Like, I only do a sale this big twice a year, Black Friday and my birthday. So if you don't want to miss out, you better check it out. Anyways, actually, you know what I want to do? I'm gonna grab a coffee sticker because I need coffee. And I don't have them with me, so never mind. And then that is literally it. Oh, I want to put I don't have a work sticker. I'll make one. I will make one. I'll use this. There we go. So that is my full spread for this week. I totally forgot to put my Thanksgiving Tigaro down. Why did you not remind me? So put our little turkey Thanksgiving Tigaro right there, and there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook so that you can see how this spread turns out and to know more about the sale coming up this Friday along with new releases. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!